Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have the Sport wireless earbuds with wireless charging case that has a digital LED display. It has 72 hours of playtime. This has deep bass sport earphones with over-the-ear hooks and a built-in microphone. Alright, so we have these headphones. These have a 72-hour playtime with including the case. It has a wireless charging and USB charging. You can charge it by both ways. So here's some specifications on the side. It's super last longing, 72 hours to meet your day needs. 12 hours on a single charge, 72 hours with the charging case, 3 hours charging time. Here's your specifications. It does have hi-fi sounds, bring your music to enjoyment. One-step pairing. You can pick up 2 earbuds from the charging case. Earbuds will pair with each and automatically. So first off in the box, we do have our charging cable. We have our earbuds, little size earbud replacement pads. So if you're a size small, they have small, medium, and large. So here's the Type-C charging cable to charge up the case as well as the headphones themselves. So you do get a user manual. It tells you everything about how to charge it, how to clean them, how to put them back, if you want to charge them by the USB or if you want to charge them through the case. So this does have an independent LED digital 3-screen display initiative display, the Bluetooth headphones and the charging case battery consumption so that you can master the best charging time. So first off right here is the charging case. Shows you the little Bluetooth signal. That is where you'll plug it in to charge the case. And this is the top of the headphones. It's got a nice little zipper case. So we have them upside down. So we're going to just turn them around and you can see that the charging case right here, these sit in there just perfectly. On this side it shows your left and your right. You have some disclaimer information right here. The great thing about these, they are magnetic, so they will magnetize to the case so they don't fall out. So this one here is the left side. They're really nice. They kind of slip right up into your ear. They're cushiony. If you like these little wings up here at the top to go around your ear, especially myself jumping around, I don't like the earbuds to fall out. So we got these ones with the hooks. They're really nice. It is not super hard on your ears. They are soft and flexible. You can see the charging ports right here. This is where you'll charge into your case. You'll have to remove the plastic and then just set them in there right where these little buttons are and it'll automatically charge. So you just slip them in here like that. And then the display right here will tell you what the battery is at of your earbud. Same thing as this side. This is your right side. If you look at the bottom of the case, it does tell you which earbud goes into. Like this one is the right, the other one is the left. And that one right there says the right as well. So you got nice little ear muffins here. You just set it back right in here. And they do have a little disclaimer. You might want to check that out. So they said right here is an IPX5 Sweat proof. Earphones that are not afraid of sweat. It will not affect your listening experience during exercise. These are suitable for running, yoga, fitness, suitable for any water. So this has a built-in 1000 milliamp charging case that provides full battery life support for Bluetooth headphones. Now when you want to charge it, you'll take the Type-C cable and put it in the front and charge. So the 4 bars of LED power consumption indicator on the left shows the charging process of the right earbud. The 4 bars of LED consumption indicator on the right side will show the process of the left earbud. The number in the middle shows the battery percentage of charging in the charging case. So now if you don't want it to charge, you can put this little plastic thing back in here so it's not wasting the battery. So this is easy to pair. You can take the 2 earbuds out of the charging case. They will pair with each other automatically. You will turn off your phone's Bluetooth, search and pair for the model, the Movone Sport. Then the 2 Bluetooth earbuds will pair with your phone successfully. It's so easy. All you'll have to do is just turn on your Bluetooth on your phone and it should pair. This does have a 5.1 Upgraded 5.1 improves the transmission speed signal and is more stable and distance is much longer, providing you with steady listening experience. So right now you can see that the case right here is at 99 and it is charging the earbuds because the earbuds were completely dead when I received them. So this is what it looks like when they don't have the earbuds in there. It's got a nice little cutout case for them. And you can see the little prongs right here to charge the earbuds. So now this is charging the case. I would definitely say if you're looking for some earbuds, I would say check these ones out. These are super nice, especially if you like the little clips on the top so they don't fall out of your ears.